ready to transform your Blogger blog from generic to gorgeous. First, navigate to the Theme section of your Blogger dashboard. This is your control center for all things design. See that Customize button? Click it. This opens the Blogger theme designer, where the magic happens. Let's start with colors. Click on Main Color Theme. Here, you can choose from preset color schemes or dive into advanced settings. For total control, explore the advanced settings. Tweak background colors, text hues, and accent shades to perfectly match your brand. Next, let's rearrange your layout. Click on Layout. This section lets you modify the placement of widgets and sections. Simply drag and drop elements to reposition them. Want your sidebar on the left. Don't need to move your search bar. Easy. To add a new widget, click Add a Gadget. In the desired section, choose from a variety of options like a search bar, image gallery, or even custom HTML. For font fanatics, the Advanced tab is your playground. Customize the fonts for your blog title, headings, and body text to create a unique visual hierarchy. Once you are happy with your design, click Apply in the top right corner. Congratulations, your blog is now uniquely yours. So get out there and start creating your dream website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blogger tips and tricks.